we're tracking the weather. This is one of our employees' backyards or front yard, and this is Nathan Benderson Park and everything. I still can't get over the fireball, but let's go to Anna Maria Island and just have a look there if we can. All right, we got some raindrops on the camera there, our Cool Today live cam. All right, not looking so bad there, but I guess it just depends, Justin, where you are, how things are going to be, and then it could all change.
Yeah, exactly.
Like
the good thing is, though, is most of the showers should come to an end. This heavy downpour that's been moving through Sarasota should be about it, other than a little bit light drizzle. Should all come to an end by the time fireworks kick off tonight. So that's some good news. But that was absolutely insane video, though, of watching the fire out in the ocean. That's absolutely insane. Looked like out of a movie. Hey, let's talk about Elsa this evening, as it's really got our eye of concern right now. We're seeing Elsa moving across Haiti right now. Still got hurricane warnings out for Haiti because they're seeing some of those up to hurricane force winds. But it is a tropical storm right now. You can see those winds right about 70 miles per hour. Moving to the west, northwest, about 28 miles per hour. It is expected to continue to slow as well. Let's take a look at the track on this thing. You can see model's pretty consistent, taking it on that southwest side of Cuba. And once it gets into the far western Cuba, it looks like it's going to take its shift towards the north. And you notice right now, too, we also have those tropical storm watches out for now, the Key West. So you can see where the consistency is. These models have really shifted from a little bit to the east now, a lot of them aligning to the west side. So confidence is now growing much more that this could be heading towards the west coast of Florida. Here's a look at that cone of uncertainty. Now you'll notice, though, it is a tropical storm. As it moves across Cuba too, it's going to lose more energy as it moves over the mountains. So I think as it crosses over Cuba and then goes towards Key West, could see wind speeds drop back down to around 50s, upper 50s. But the little time it has over water, it'll try to bump up a little strength. I don't think that it's going to go back to hurricane status. In fact, if it does follow this track, I expect it to really be at most a high-end tropical storm. Now I want you to notice this as well. In fact, let me pull up this feature real quick so we can measure the distance on this cone. So again, the cone of uncertainty, again, it's the possibility of seeing the tropical storm move through. You notice roughly about 240 miles is that distance of that cone as it move over the Suncoast. So right now, the storm has leanway about 120 miles west or 120 miles east that it can move. That's down substantially compared to last night where it was only 180 miles east and west. So that concern, or that more knowledge of where this could possibly go, is becoming more apparent. And you can see that those models are really continuing to hold it onto the west coast and eventually taking a turn into Florida. Again, this is something we're going to continue to keep an eye out over the next couple of days as this moves over Cuba, which will tell us a lot. But again, just have your alert up. Make sure you're staying weather aware. We can see the winds. Actually, down towards Key West, you can see those wind chances are actually going up a little bit. For us, we're still right around 20%. And of course, you can always stay up to date with your forecast on our mobile device, which you can just scan that right there and download. Let's talk about tonight, though. We do have some rain outside right now. We had some heavy downpours moving through. That's the last bit of it, though. Rain should be coming to a quiet end. 78 degrees right now. Rain chances for the 9 o'clock hour. Firework time should be good. We're seeing those temperatures, though, staying mild into the overnight, into only the 80s. There's a look at the rain right now. You can see that heavy downpour that's moving over really Sarasota right now. It's shifting towards the south at this point. It's kind of building towards the south as these have been really moving to the east most of today. But as we take a look at that, it's going to continue to push out, and we'll start to see more so drizzle into the next hour or so, and then eventually it'll phase out for the night. Heading into Sunday, Sunday actually looks really good. Morning time hours of clouds overhead by the afternoon for your 4th of July. Folks, I really barely see any chance for rain. Only 20% chance for the afternoon. By nighttime fall, we're good to go. Fireworks should be fine. Now, heading into Monday, we'll change the story just a little bit. Monday morning, it's dry here across the region. We get some showers trying to build back in as we head into Monday afternoon and evening, but not substantial rain amounts. 40% chance as we head into your Monday is about all we're going to see. But as we head towards midweek is where we're watching for that tropical chance. As we head into Sunday, water should be good to go. Make sure you're wearing some sunscreen next 7 days. Again, rain chances for 4th of July. You're good to go. Not expecting rain Monday. We'll go with a 40-50% chance. This is where we're watching. Moving into Tuesday, again, timing will be mainly into the Tuesday. Actually, Monday night, we could see some of those winds starting to pick up, but it's going to be Tuesday afternoon where we could see those winds at their height. Then as we head into the latter part of the week, that storm should move on out here pretty quick. And of course, don't forget, tune in at 7 o'clock tonight as we will be playing our hurricane special, a survival guide, so that you know where to go, when to go, and what time it is to go. Kevin?
Okay, Justin, as you were doing the weather forecast,